Hey guys, back with me again, Teddy here, and today I will teach you guys a move called two-step pike. So for the move, you know that you need to master two steps. If you haven't mastered two steps, I put a link up here, you can check that out. Master that two step first and then come back here and learn this move, alright? So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. In order to learn this move, you need to really have a good solid two steps, and also another tips that you want to make sure you are comfortable with is when you do the swipe or headquarter to up. For example, like this, up. All right, one more time, up. So it's like, you know, you are going back and then you push, something that you need to learn when you want to learn the basic of flare. Okay, same thing, make sure you are comfortable with that transition first, because they will help a lot with the tutorial today. Okay, so now let's start with the basic two steps. Now when you do two steps, counterclockwise, so my right leg is gonna swing and then I'm gonna move my rotation into counterclockwise like this. All right, so this is where the pike coming in. So after you do two steps, when you're back to the normal positions, when you're about to swipe, you need to really use your body here, prepare for the move. So when you switch from your left hand to your right hand, you're gonna push up with your right hand. Okay, so later you can see how my hand is gonna push to the back, and you want to make this move looks more cooler, you need to be able to hang it. Okay, to freeze it, and then slowly back to the two step again, kick, push again. All right, after you push, try to hold it, put your left hand back down, and then continue the kick. So I'm gonna do it slow here first. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do one basic two steps, and then we're gonna continue to the pike two steps. Normal two step, pike. Okay, you can see my hand here and my shoulder is pushing up. All right, from there, after up, when you're about to go down to the continuous steps, your left leg is gonna continue to kick. Up, kick, up, kick. All right, so you get the basic idea here. What you have to do next is getting really comfortable with the whole movement, with the sweep, up, push, hold it, and then get it back down again, continue, swing, up, push, hold it, and continue. All right, so let's try. Again, like I always do, I'm gonna start the move from slow, and I will adjust the speed accordingly. Here we go. Normal two steps. So I just show you guys the pike two steps. We're not finished yet. There's another variations that I'm about to show you, okay? Looks very similar, but instead keeping both legs straight like this, you want to cross your leg, okay? Again, I'm counterclockwise, so when I do the pike, I want to make sure for the variations, my right leg is in front of my left leg. So I'm cross my leg when I do the pike, and my right leg here is crossing like this. Again, hold it and quickly open up, go into the steps again and cross pike again. So same basic, same idea, but just different variations. Here we go. So that's it. I just showed you guys the pike two steps and also the variations that you can do with this move. That's about it. Subscribe, let this video give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.